Hello coders, suppose you have joined an organization in which your manager has given you a problem set scenario in which there is a this particular data table, there is a particular data in front of you, and he wants that he doesn't need that gender column in the child table, but in the name column, in the name section, the name will be preceded with a Mr. if the gender is male, while the name will be preceded with a Mrs. if the name is a female one, and the rest of the data, that is product quantity, rate and total, it will be left unaltered as it is. So how can you do that? I have named the master table as master, and there will be a child table. So in the child table, let me copy the column label for it and paste it in here, Control V. So for the name portion, we can do a simple if function, and this if will be checking some criteria. So if will be checking if this value is equal to male, then it will be concatenating concatenate Mr, and then it will be concatenate with Mr and so ampersand is being used to concatenate string value. So Mr concatenated with the name value, and if it is not the scenario, it will be Mrs concatenated with the name value. Go to master and click this particular cell. Okay, so the formula, I think yeah, Mrs, and there will be an ampersand, so this value, then press enter. Now let's go to master table and see there are 17 up to 17, so we have to go all the way up to 17. So click on this first cell and then go to 17. So while pressing and holding down shift key, we are left clicking to copy the not to select the range of cells, and then we are pressing Ctrl D to copy the formula, and the rest of these particular values we can use a vlookup as well. So let's do it with the vlookup. So we'll be copying this value, Ctrl C, and we'll be pasting in the values, Ctrl V, the column label. So we'll be having a vlookup. Let's select all of this range equal to vlookup, and vlookup will be searching for a lookup value. So the lookup value is this one, and the table array is whole of this table, and it will be returning a column index. So let's open the curly braces and 1 2 3 4. So we'll be returning 4 5 6 4 comma 5 comma 6. Let's close the braces, press comma, and the searching will be a 0, that is exact match. Then press Ctrl enter, and then total is 0. Okay, so total had some formula in it, that's why it's showing 0. So 1343 rate. Okay, so I missed a column level, there is a rate as well, quantity. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, it is 4 5 6 4 5 6. So total, there is nothing such as total, there is product rate total. I made some mistake. So the product, okay, fine, the product we did have 4 5 6, but it won't be 4 5 6, it will be 1 2 3 3 4 5 6. So that's the error in my formula. So let me rewrite the formula, equal to vlookup. The lookup value will be from this master table, it will be searching this value inside whole of this table range, and it will be returning within curly braces 1 2 3. So 3 4 5 and 6, close the braces, comma 0, then close the vlookup braces and press Ctrl enter for the array function. So we have the value. Let's select all the way. I'm holding down shift key to select this range of cell, and I'm pressing Ctrl D. So 134314, that's the value. Now our motto would be to find out what is the total expenses done by male and the female. So again we will be having a function. So sum basically does the addition operation, but sum if is something based on a criteria. So the criteria is something within this range of cell, it will be This is the range of cell, and within this cell it is searching for a criteria. The criteria is something like star, mister, dot, star. So star is a wildcard. It means that in that particular textual value, if it contains this mister, whatever is present before mister or after mister, if it contains mister, star means that the text portion is being denoted by star. That's a wildcard entry. And if it finds mister, what it will be doing is that it will be making a total out of all these things. Yeah, this particular range of cell. Let's close the braces and press enter. It's 9853. Now we need to see whether the value is coming properly or not. So we'll be moving into the master table and we will be applying a filter. The shortcut key to filter is Ctrl Shift L. After that we will be unchecking this mail to select all. We will be unchecking this option and we will be selecting mail. And we know that if we do a normal sum operation, then it will be considering the hidden rows as well. So to nullify, to rule out the hidden rows, we can use a function subtotal, and we have to select the 100 places. So 100 places means 109. Normal 1 to 3 means normal sum, but 100 places means the cells which are only visible. So we'll be doing a sum operation, and the sum will be based on all these values. We'll be closing the braces and press enter. It's 9853. So the value which here it is showing is perfect. Our data has been evaluated properly. Now we'll be doing the last portion, that is Sumif again, and this time the range is similar, this particular range, but this time the criteria is something different. It's star, misses, dot, star. Let's close the braces, comma, and it will be making summation out of this range of data. Let's close the braces and press enter. The value is 4253. So that's how you can do it. And last but not the least, you can select this range of cell and you can simply press Ctrl Shift F4. Ctrl F4. No, it's not Ctrl F4. Ctrl Shift F4. Ctrl Shift 4. Control Shift numeric 4, and numeric 4 from not from the numeric number keypad, is from the 4 which lies below the function keys, and it's showing dollar. So you need to change it from in here, from the currency format, and you need to go to more accounting format and then go to custom, and from here from the currency, and here you have to search for it. Let's scroll down a little bit and you will be finding rupee. Indian rupee is there. So I am using Excel 2007. So if it is present in Excel 2007, that basically means that if you most of us are using the later version, that is either 2010 or 2019, so or 2021. So in the later version as well, those symbol would be present. So select this particular option and press OK, and we have the rupee symbol. Let's select this one and press Alt 4. No. Alt Shift 4. No. Control Shift 4. It's still showing dollar. Alt Control 4. No, nothing. Alt Control 4. So I forgot the shortcut key for the rupee symbol. Anyways, that's all for this short video, and we did two things. That is, the catch of this particular video is this one. Let's press F2 and show the formula. This is the catch. Sumif. Inside that Sumif we are passing in. So there might be a scenario that within a cell there can be some textual content, but within the textual content we are we are considering only a particular textual part. So here it might contain Anirban Datta, any textual content, but what our consideration is based on that if it contains Mrs. or Mr., something like that. So you can try it on your own to use the wildcard. So this is an example on how to use wildcard. So that's all for this Excel video. See you again next time for some another Excel video. Thank you guys and happy coding.